Hello again. Very simple, quick tip using Google Forms. Many of us are going to be using the Google Forms to do assessments, collect information from parents, survey data, you name it. And so I'm just going to show you one very quick thing that you can do to make it easy so that when someone fills in a Google form, you can get a notification so you don't have to always go and keep checking to see if someone has done that. Let me show you how to do that. It only takes a couple seconds. Okay, this one only takes a couple seconds. I have a beginning of the year survey that I give out to parents, and then I have the spreadsheet that's associated with it. So here is the Google form that has all the questions that I'll give to the parents, and then this would be where all the data is located. And so all we have to do from this is we just go up to Tools and Notification Rules. And then from right here, all we have to do is just fill in how we want to be notified. So if a user submits a form, and then if you want to be notified right away, you can do that. I usually do this one, Daily Digest, if there's a survey. If it is for an assessment, maybe you would want it to be right away. I typically don't do that. Then you hit Save. And then anytime somebody fills out the form, and then the form populates the data in the spreadsheet, you will get an email notification each day. It's as simple as that. I hope this is helpful for you.